unboxing video. Sorry that I do not have a keto video today for you, but I got a gift in the mail from a good friend of mine, Pamela Currens, one of my besties that I grew up with, sent me something to do with Wizard of Oz, and I'm excited to share it on here with you guys. If you don't know, I am the biggest Wizard of Oz fan. I've been a fan since I was 5 years old, since I seen the movie. I think it was 4 or 5, and that first time that Judy Garland turned her foot and showed that ruby slipper, I was hooked, and that's why I've got all my shoes to this day and love high heels. It was ever since that, seeing Judy Garland turn her foot and that sparkle. That movie just melted my heart. It was my most favorite movie in the world, and then I just became a collector of it. So yeah, she got me something to do with Wizard of Oz. I kind of already know what it is, but I haven't seen it in person, and I'm just excited to share this with you guys and have a new piece for my curio cabinet. Pam, thank you so much, sweetheart, for this, and I can't wait to open it. Here's the package. I'll show you this side so you guys don't see the addresses and everything. But yeah, she was excited for me to get it. She's been asking me the last couple of days, did I receive it yet? Because I was supposed to get it yesterday, but I got it today, and I've just been really busy today, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I am excited to see what this is. And I hope all of you are okay that you're not getting a keto video today. But sometimes, all my videos are already lined up, so sometimes I have to throw something new in, and, that way I don't have 2 in one day. So, all right, I did cut it open. That way I can get to it quick. But let's go ahead and see. I am excited. I love anything new from Wizard of Oz. Let's see, I can't get out of here. Oh my gosh, beautiful. It's an event calendar. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, she got it at a thrift store or Goodwill, I believe, and she said she only paid 75 cents for it. And oh my gosh, it says Countdown to Christmas Day. We are unsure on the date on it, when this came out. Don't know if it was during the 75th anniversary or what it was, or the 80th. There is the 80th, 80th Wizard of Oz anniversary now, but I'm not sure. It doesn't really have a date on it, and it's sealed. Of course, I am going to keep it sealed, never going to open it. I've learned my lesson with a lot of the things I opened when I was younger. I took them out of the wrapper, and they are worth so much more when they're in the wrapper. So we're going to keep this in the wrapper, but look at this, you guys. It's an event calendar. There's the back of it. It starts with the yellow brick road. Do you remember that part when they said, follow the yellow brick road, follow the yellow brick road, follow, 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 follow the yellow brick road. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Yeah, I'm not a singer. But anyways, that's the yellow brick road that she started off on, and it's got spots in there that you just do things. It says Countdown to Christmas, then follow the road and match the stickers to their numbers. Find a hidden sticker behind each door. That is so cool, but of course I won't be opening this to see how to do it. But what a neat thing, a countdown to Christmas, because we are coming up to December 1st. So that would be really fun, and that's what it is. It goes all the way till the 25th. Yep, and that's where Christmas would be, right there on the 25th, and it starts right there December 1st. So like we said, we're unsure what the date is on this, when this was made, but I love it, love it, love it. Love anything to do with the Wizard of Oz. I love that it's got everybody on there. It's got the Emerald City behind it. Absolutely beautiful. The poppy seed field. Oh yeah, it's just phenomenal. Pam, I love it so much. What an awesome thing. I love it so much. I kind of wish I could open it and do the countdown for Christmas, but we're going to keep it sealed. It just makes it worth more. But I want to thank you, sweetheart, so much for this. Pam is actually, I grew up with her. She is kind of like extended family. My aunt, who is married to my uncle, my mom's brother. So my aunt, it's her sister. And so Pam would be more or less family to me, not through blood, but through marriage. Her sister marrying my uncle. So, but anyways, we actually lived together for a while, and we've had some great memories. We've had some great fights. We used to call each other, it was Angel Bell and Pamela Gump. Or Pammy Gump and Angel Bell. We had names for each other. We lived together. She's just wonderful. I love her. She lives in Wisconsin, and I haven't seen her in a while. Girl, I miss you very much. She just recently had a birthday. Her birthday was in October, and I got to get a gift out to you. She said she's into owls. I got to get something out to her. But yes, I haven't seen her for a while. I miss her dearly. But anyway, she's a very good friend of mine, and this is what she got me. All of my family and friends know how much I love The Wizard of Oz. So yeah, if they find things, they rush out and get it for me. Even my husband's sister has got me a lot of wonderful, very expensive items for The Wizard of Oz, and it's still sealed and wrapped, and I love it. So yeah, I'm a very big fan, and this is what I love, you guys, Wizard of Oz. If you ever see anything awesome or anything, just, let me know, or you want to get to my heart right here. This is how you get to my heart, is The Wizard of Oz. I love it. So, but anyways, thank you, Pamela. Well, Pam, I call her Pammy Gump. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for this awesome event calendar. I'm not going to use it. Would be great right now because we're almost to December, but I want to keep it sealed. I will take a picture of it. I'm actually going to put this on the outside of my curio cabinet since it's got that little hole right there. I don't have to worry about it. I'm going to hang it right up on the wall so I can see it good. If you saw my video on the tour of this place, you'll see I have some things going around the wall around it too. This is going to be a piece that's going to be outside of the wall so you really get to see it well, because in the cabinet it would be kind of hid since my cabinet is pretty full. So I'm going to put this on the outside because I love it. I love the photo. It's so beautiful. The art on it is gorgeous. So, but anyways, thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you all of you for watching this video. And yep, that's how you get to my heart, through following the yellow brick road, and there's no place like home. I love all of you guys very much. Everybody take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. Thanks a lot, Pammy Gump. I love you, and I love all of you. Hey, just realized that there was a card in there for me too. I didn't know that. So I want to make sure that I read the card on here with you guys too. When I thanked Pam online, she said, did you get the card too? And I said, a card? I didn't know there was a card in there. So want to share this with you guys. All right, let's hope it's not emotional though, because I get really emotional real easy. I'm grateful to live in a world where thoughtfulness still matters, where kindness makes a difference, where acts of grace shine through. What a beautiful fall card. Look at the sparkle on those leaves. They look 3D too. Isn't that cool? I'm grateful to know goodness, to see it all around me, in the richest of the season, in the friend I have in you. Happy Thanksgiving. Aw, that was sweet. It's a Thanksgiving card for me. And there it is, Angel Bell. I told you, Pammy Gump and Angel Bell. Just want to say I miss you, girl, and hope that you love your Wizard of Oz calendar. Also wanted to wish you a wonderful Thanksgiving also. Congrats to you both on your new beautiful home. Love you, girl. Love, Pammy Gump. Thank you, sweetheart. Yes, even something like that will tear me up. Thank you, sweetheart. I love it very much. Happy Thanksgiving to you as well. Thank you for the well wishes on our new place. And, congratulations on your new place. I know you guys have been in there about a year now, I believe. But I hope all is going well with you guys. And I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving as well. And again, thank you so much for the Wizard of Oz calendar. I love it. And thank you for the card. I love you, Pammy Gump, very much. You are my heart, always have been. You've been my friend for a very long time, my family. And I love you with everything in me. So thanks again for this and the Wizard of Oz. After, you'll see a photo of where I hung it. I have a picture of the whole setup. And then I got a little bit closer and showed you where I hung the Wizard of Oz calendar. I love it so much. And thanks for letting me know there was a card in there, because I wanted to add this in the video before I had this video uploaded. So I love you, girl. Happy Thanksgiving. And I hope to see you very soon. Very, very soon. I hope so. It's been too long. Take care, darling. And all of you take care as well. And happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you. I'll be able to say that more because Thanksgiving, I'll have more videos loaded that I can wish when it gets a little bit closer. But yeah, I hope all of you guys have a great Thanksgiving and great holiday. So I love you all very much. God bless and take care. Follow the yellow brick road.